So, nandito na naman uli kami sa Ikea car park because this is where we normally get our fresh tree every year.
Everyone's being cut on the...
Yeah, but
This
the
one is
trees
tall.
aren't as good as the previous year. Oh,
This is really
that's
good,
better. Kaya lang panot siya sa taas.
See? Everything's being cut.
Ay, hindi pantay. I'll hold it and then you look. You look here. Hindi pantay yung ilalim niya. Diba? Oh, look. Get the big one. Needs to be taller than you, Marcus. They're all tiny, isn't it?
Yeah, no, they're not...
Ano, Dade? Wala kang gusto. They're small, right?
No, they're tall, but they're slim.
Skinny. Parang ang liit. Kahit ipatong mo siya, parang ang liit. Parang yung kinuha natin last year, mas mataas sa akin ng nakapatong na ganyan eh.
Too small.
Hmm?
Alam mo ka na, tree.
Which one do you fancy, Marcus?
That one.
Any other tree? There's not many. We're gonna make a pass on Ikea. Christmas fresh tree this year. Because they're not fluffy as what we want. We'll go to Costco and find out if they have started selling them.
Now, we'll go to the farm.
Yeah.
Get one ourselves.
But for the meantime, we're gonna go to Ikea and buy some
Meatballs.
and
Chips.
Meatball sauce.
and candles. We weren't very successful with finding the right Christmas tree from Ikea this year, so we decided to take a look at Costco. But before heading to Costco, we went for some food shopping. We went to Morrisons to do some food shopping, and fortunately, outside the shop, they were selling some fresh trees. So this one I like the most. Yun, wala na naman ng space.
Nabaan ng konti yung...
This one is nice too. Fresh, right? $9.99.
Sabi ko sa kanya, bibigyan kita pero nakita ko yung kahapon. Nanginil lang siya kung ano, rapid.
They're cute. Ika is the biggest one that we're gonna have. Yeah. Bueno, hawak ko na po. Oh, taas ng Christmas tree. Mas malaki pa siya sa akin. This is the tallest one that we've had so far. Ang laki niya! Ayan siya, oh. Maya decorate natin siya later. Ang gulo-gulo na nga ng buhok ko. I woke up like this. So, dala namin yung lumang kotse. Oh! Tinutuboy niya lahat yung mga seats para magkasya ang Christmas tree. This is taller than 6 feet, right?
Yeah.
This is the tallest that they have, that they sell. See if it's gonna fit in the car. Nakakangawit, Daddy. Ayan na po, ipinasok ko niya. Kasya ba? Kasya? Baliktarin mo kayo. Ay, hindi. Tama. Did you not break your back, Daddy?
Just hold it like that and push.
Okay, assistant. Look how. Nilagari niya, no? Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Bueno, wala akong upuan sa passenger seat. Sa likod ako uupo. Hi guys! Nakabili na siya ng tree. Ay, nasa likod ako kasi hindi ka siya na dun sa passenger seat yung tok-tok nung dulo nung Christmas tree. So, nandito ako sa passenger seat at the back. So, sa gitla kami sa Costco. Papabili ng kimchi noodles si Kuya. And then later on, we're gonna unpack this Christmas tree and we will decorate it. We'll be back to our usual colors: red, gold, silver, bit of white.
Thank God for that.
last year,
No more Lenny.
last year we did Laban Lenny pink. So this time we'll be back to the traditional Christmas colors. Watch out! See you later!